What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imani. If you are new, what's up, what's poppin'? Let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So this is the second Halloween look that I'm doing for the month of October. So like I said, if you're wanting more Halloween looks, be on the lookout and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload. But this video is going to be super quick, super easy, and I thought it was super cute and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So of course, we're going to do what we always do because we're playing in makeup. We're going to prime our face. We're going to do our skin prep. You know, we got to do that. So for this look today, honestly, I was like, you know what? I want to do a clown look, but I don't want to do nothing spooky. So I saw like this sad clown type of thing, but it was still glam. And I was like, ooh, I could do that. And believe it or not, this look does not take long at all. So if you are not trying to go out and buy a whole costume and you rather just go buy some face paint or you have something at home, I guarantee you the two looks that I've done so far, this one and the avatar look, is an easy look that you could do at home and you don't have to worry about spending so much money. But for this look, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to gel my brows down. And then I'm going to go over it with a setting powder just because we are going to be going over that with face paint. And after I've done that, I'm going to take a white eyeliner pencil and I'm going to create like a mask for my face. I didn't want to do my whole face just because, like I said, I wanted it to give glam, give Halloween, but not over the top, something that you can quickly do and not have to worry about getting it all in your hair or anything like that. So now I'm just creating the shape of the mask that I want. You could literally do like the whole Phantom of the Opera type mask, or you could do like the theater arts version mask type thing. Whatever you want to do, this look is super easy. Now I'm going to go into the You Can Be a Thinner Paint palette, and with that white, I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to place that within the borders of the mask that I created. Once I've got my base on for my mask, I'm actually going to go in with a foundation brush and I'm going to pat that in. So I don't know if you guys remember me telling you, but in my avatar makeup look, trying to swipe it and use the beauty blender just was not giving me the full coverage of the makeup that I wanted for this body paint. So definitely use patting motions if you want to keep everything together, cohesive, and not splitting apart. Patting is definitely going to be your best friend. After I've gotten the desired coverage that I wanted, I'm gonna go into just any eyeshadow palette for that matter, or if you have a white translucent powder, that's fine too, but I'm gonna go in with some white eyeshadow and I'm gonna set that makeup in place because I don't want it to move when I go to apply all my other products. Now that I've got that on, I'm just going to draw on some eyebrows. Like I said, this is like a sad clown type of thing. And honestly, as soon as I drew the brows on, I was like, oh, it's giving sad already. But I was already in love with the look. So I'm still in the Athena paint palette. That's going to be the majority of what I use in today's look. And I'm just going to create those like sad, frowned up brows. Like, oh, why not? Like those type of brows. And then I was trying to decide if I wanted to do blue eyeshadow, but it wouldn't be any Imani makeup tutorial if I didn't use green. So I'm going to use the 3 green shades that are in the Morphe and Abby Roberts eyeshadow palette. So I'm starting off with the first shade, which is going to be my transition shade. It's like a lime green color, and I'm just going to pack that on. And because I already have on a white base, and the way I am using my brush, like I'm kind of going in like a patting motion but slightly blending at the same time, just because when I tried to actually blend it, it was swiping away product and I didn't like that. So honestly, you don't have to do much blending with this, and because it's a clown, I didn't really want it to be overly like blended and so precise. It was supposed to be like sad and just, you know, cute but not like pristine. But anyway, after I packed on that color, I'm going to go in with the next shade of green in there. It was like just a darker green, but not as dark. And I'm going to use that in my crease. And after I've gotten that in my crease, I'm actually going to go into the 3rd green shade in there. And this one's like a hunter green. This one's really, 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 really dark. And I'm going to use that to really deepen that crease for when I'm about to cut my crease with the lime green paint that's in the You Can Be a Thinner paint palette. Oh, what I didn't tell you guys also, I took my eyeshadow colors and I also brought that under my eyes as well, just because I wanted to carry it under to really make this look dramatic, because we're doing a sad clown, so the sad clown has to look dramatic. It's only right. So don't forget to do that portion as well. I don't know about y'all, but I really despise when I go to cut my crease and I realize they're not the same size. So I was really being precise about this part. Even though I wasn't being precise about my eyeshadow, I was about cutting the crease. So I went in with the lime green color that's in that paint palette, and then I was going to set it with the same lime green that I used in my transition shade, but when I was packing it on there, it was coming off darker than I wanted it to be, because I wanted that color to still be lime green and pop, not dark green or anything. So I just went over it again with another coat of that same lime green. While I was also cutting my crease, I was creating like a winged cut crease. I wasn't just doing like half or just the full lid. Well, technically this is a full lid, but I was creating a winged cut crease as well. Afterwards, what I'm gonna do is, there was like this bluish green shade in there as well, and I am going to create a wing liner just using like a bluish green shade for you guys. I wasn't really trying to be too sharp about it either. I just wanted to make sure I had something contrasting that green in there, but also making that green pop. Afterwards, I'm gonna go in with some of that black paint from the Athena paint palette, and I'm gonna create like this triangle under my eye. Initially, I was using the paint palette and it wasn't working the way I wanted to. It wasn't as controlled, so I went in with a black eyeliner pencil and created like that triangle under eye appearance as well. And then I went ahead and went back in with the black paint and I just filled it in, because trying to color it in with the eyeliner wasn't working. So I kind of had to go back and forth between the two. After I gotten that second triangle on there, I'm gonna go in with some blush from the, actually it's not blush, I went into the same eyeshadow palette and I just used whatever vibrant pink was in there. I feel like that pink was definitely going to contrast that green nicely, so I literally put that same pink on the ball of my cheeks, just like literally a perfect circle in the ball, and I just kept adding until I liked the intensity. And afterwards, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna create some teardrops, well, 2 teardrops, one on each side, and make them big enough to see as well. And I'm gonna design this shape first with the black eyeliner pencil. This is also a liquid eyeliner pencil, just to be specific, because I don't want you guys thinking I'm using a gel liner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner pencil that's in black, and I filled it in with black paint. And then I'm going to go back into that same black paint and I'm going to create my lips, and I'm going to overline them, and I'm also going to add some frown lines to really exaggerate that sad clown look. After I got that on there, because I wanted this look to be full glam too, I really wanted it to be full glam, Not only did I add black eyeshadow to my lips to make it matte, but I also added black eyeshadow to the brows, any part that I added black to. But going back to the full glamour part, I took some rhinestones that I had and I took some eyelash glue and I just put them around the perimeter of my mask, and then to create the other set of teardrops for my eyes, just because we're doing full glam, I'm going to put that as some more teardrops of me crying gems basically. Now that I got my rhinestones on, I'm going to cut a pair of old lashes and add 2 sets of bottom lashes clusters to both eyes, and then I'm going to add my regular strip lashes on just to add some more drama to this look. And then I'm going to do a quick costume change for you all and do my hair. And that is pretty much it for this look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you decide to recreate this look, do not forget to tag me in your looks or comment down below. Be sure to share and everything. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know if you have any specific looks that you want me to do, but I will see you guys in the next Halloween makeup look. Love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.